Today, I will analyze a speech by Barack Obama called the Barack Obama Victory Speech 2008. Second is the tone, diction, and mood. The tone in speech is inspiring, the hopeful, his diction or choice of words is simple and powerful, so people can easily understand his message. The mood of the speech make the audience feel proud, motivated, and hopeful for the future. Third is the mannerism or non-verbal cues. During the speech, he speaks clearly and confidently. He used that hand gestures and poses while speaking to emphasize important ideas. He also looks at the audience to connect with them and show sincerity. In conclusion, this speech is powerful because it inspires people to believe in change and work together for a better future. Thank you for listening.